Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to create stories and reels for Instagram using Canva. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Open your web browser or mobile app. When you log into Canva, you're going to see this page right here. We will be using the free version of Canva today. As you go to Canva, you will see a lot of templates related to everything: photo cover, magazine cover, infographics, YouTube videos, and many more. You can create great and high-quality content for your Instagram profile or page using the Canva application. Canva is a free graphic design tool, and it's great for creating any type of content. You can create photos for your Instagram posts and stories, and you can also create videos for your Instagram Reels. Now find Instagram Stories templates. Tap on it, and it will open a variety of templates. Choose the template that you want to edit. Now, if you want to delete this picture, tap on it. There you will see an option to delete image or change grid. Delete it. Now go to Styles by swiping up the bar. There are a bunch of styles. You can change colors, add various elements, change background color. Play around this, do whatever you like. Now for uploading a picture, tap on Uploads. It will give you option to upload from gallery, to take a picture right now, or you can choose from your previous uploaded photos. Now to make Instagram Reels, search Instagram Reel template in search bar. You will see a lot of templates. Click on the one you want to edit. You can change anything in this template, even the background, text color, text font, size. That's how you can create Instagram stories and reels using Canva. Canva offers a lot of tools, and you can really customize your content, get creative with it, and make high quality and engaging photos and videos in order to grow your Instagram account or Instagram page. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.